Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be making a stand. You can use it to keep your stationeries like pen, pencil, brushes, scale, or you can also use it to keep your beauty products like mascara, lipstick, kajal, eyeliner, or else you can also keep it in your kitchen for the spoons, forks, knives, and many more things. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So to make such cute stand we require fabric. We can also use colorful papers, it totally depends on us. Then we require a cardboard. Then we require few stones which we can get from any old bracelet to make the object stand well. And few CDs. Actually no, we just require 2 CDs and that's it. Fevicol and DST, double-sided tape, and of course a pair of scissors. Let's get started. Following the same steps, you have to prepare another one just like this. Here I have taken 2 by 6 inches rectangle, and after you have done marking, cut it out. I have followed the same steps to cover this cardboard that we did earlier. I have applied Fevikwik on it and then I'm sticking them. Ta-da! And the stand is ready! I'm actually loving this stand so much. Yet the print on it is also so pretty. Highly recommend to try this at your home. This will definitely enhance the beauty of your room. So, if you like my video, please shower your love by liking my video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe, hit the bell button, and don't forget to share my video. Tada! Bye bye! See ya!